Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use arch command in Linux. So arch command is a simple command line in Linux. So the usage of this command is to print the machine name or hardware name of the computer that you currently use. So to use it, we can just type arch. So it will print the machine hardware name. In this case, I use a 64-bit Intel machine. So basically it will print x86 64. If you have a 32-bit system, it will print Intel 32-bit. It will print i 686. Okay, so I don't have the VM at hand, so I can only show this one to you. So if we want to see the manual page, we can type man arch. So as you can see that it only have two options here, which is help and version. We can also open the info page for arch. So similar. Okay. And also we can open the help page with arch -- help. So this will open the help page, which basically provide the same info, help and version. And if we open arch version, it will print the version of GNU Core Utils. So this is not the version of arch, but specifically, but this is the version of GNU Core Utils installed on your system. So if we go back to the info page, info arch, you can read here that this is equivalent to the uname -m. Okay, so let's try that. Let's try once more arch and uname -m. So yeah, in short, this is basically the wrapper of uname command actually. So calling the same, doing the same process with uname, but this is just wrap and simpler. Just use arch, so we can just get this print instead of providing the -m option with in uname. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the How to Dojo channel. Hope this video useful. See you next time.